Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase both stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. You can see today is January the 4th. What our technology is doing is going through all available stocks in the market and finding what are the top movers based on institutional buying and selling pressure. So QS pops up here at the very top of the main dashboard, tradealgo.com, for our users and subscribers to take advantage of this morning. There was an over 4,000% increase in institutional green bullish pressure. So are we surprised that the largest market makers in the entire market moved the stock more than 30% as a result? Well, speed and transparency are critical here. It's important to have this information before it's already jumped 33%. Afterwards, it doesn't do you much good. So let's go to the Trade Algo Alerts tab, and let's go see when our lightning fast AI was picking up on these unusual private exchange transactions. 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, nearly triple what's normally seen there. So if we go to our chart here, you can see that this is 9:39. Well, this is the 9:30 to 9:45 candle, so right in this range, and it keeps growing and growing and growing all the way throughout the day. You want your information here with institutional data and order flow. You do not want it over here with retail orders after it's already moved. If you had followed smart money transactions, for example, look at this huge list of triple and even quadruple digit returns. Well, no wonder the price of the stock is spiking so much. Typically, there's only $15 million of QS traded by big institutions over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, $660 million. So hundreds of millions of dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. Now this move starts to make a lot more sense. The AI goes through that in real time, identifies it for our users. It's put at tradealgo.com. We even send out alerts, which I'll get into here in just a second. But look at this nice list of triple and quadruple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $8 call option. And we're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart, actually. This is 9:45, so this would have been 5 or 6 minutes later. It's an over 1,000% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. Again, it's about having the information here with TradeAlgo and with institutional data instead of getting bad retail data over here. For example, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 11:15 and maybe you hopped out at a bad early exit and you still made a triple digit return. Maybe you were like this user of ours who ended up hopping in when the contracts were 28 cents, which would have been right over here at about 10 a.m. and then ended up hopping out over here for about a 375% return. They sent a screenshot into our success story log here today, and you can see hopped into the QuantumScape $8 call option, January the 5th, 2024. Popped a nice 378% move on that. It's not about getting all 1,000%. It's about having an excellent move, making profit, and letting the AI do all of the heavy lifting for you. For people who are busy with their full-time jobs, working, for people who are newer to the market, or people who just want to be a part of a community of trading, we also send out alerts directly to our users. So instead of having to get the trade and take the position on your own, you can just rely on the alert popping up directly on your cell phone. Here's the example of the alert that we sent yesterday. So there is a huge institutional bullish signal in Spotify. We send out an alert saying, hey guys, Spotify, 190 calls expiring January the 26th. Here's your entry price. Here's your first target price, second, and third. So we give everything that someone needs to be able to just pull out their phone at work, enter in the transaction, and then 3 minutes later, be completely done with it. Everything's already done for you. We sent out alerts this morning. Once it was up around 30%, which was our first target price, we let people know that we were exiting most of the rest of the contracts at about a 67% return, which was the second target price. And then, of course, following it up with an almost triple digit return, exiting at the third target price, as was just stated in the alert that we had sent the previous day. All done from people's cell phones, all done with the benefit of these professional alerts and AI doing all of the heavy lifting for them. Congratulations to one of our users who decided to, instead of doing contracts that expire on the 26th, they did contracts that expire tomorrow. And instead of a quick 60 to 90% return, they made a 350% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.